Good afternoon, students. This is your senior sir. Welcome back to this academic year 2020 and 21. So, for 8th standard, we can start the first lesson playing with the numbers. So, before we are going to conduct syllabus, you can learn the tables up to 20 that's needy for your uh, mathematics classes. So let's start with the our syllabus playing with the numbers. This is your first lesson for 8 standards. So we can come to the introduction part. We want to know the what is the vision of the numbers and what is the importance of playing with the numbers. First we go to the vision of the numbers. So the vision is numbers have played an important role in the intellectual development of mankind. So this still forms a perfect playground for activities for the students, and one can be create a simple puzzles which can be brain treasures. So this is our vision of the playing with the number, and the importance is we shall explore some nice properties of numbers with the help of engaging students to puzzles. With these puzzles will be help in the future mental games. So this is the vision and importance of the playing with the number. Next we move on to the first topic in the playing with the number is numbers in general form. Students have to remember that this general forms we can use in the algebraic expressions. This is the most important concept. So just you can learn now. For example, we take 45. So 45 can be written as 40 plus 5. So again 40 will be written as 4 into 10 plus 5 will be written as 5 into 1. So nothing means is into 1. So 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Then again take another one example, 354. So this 354 can be written as 300 plus 50 plus 4. Again 300 written as 3 into 100, 50 written as 5 into 10, and 4 written as 4 into 1. Now consider the term 3 is equal to A, 5 is equal to B, 4 is equal to C. Now you consider that. Then the generalized form of this equation is ABC is equal to A into 100 plus B into 10 plus C into 1. So somewhere ABC can be written as ABC bar. That use bar means it's a cyclic repeated algebraic terms. So in detail we can discuss in classroom. Now you just learn about this. So like its a pattern will be continued. How it continued? For example, 4 numbers have, that means it have 7231. Then it will be written as A into 1000, B into 100, C into 10, and D into 1. And generalized form is A B C D bar or A B C D. And 5 numbers means it starts with 10,000, A into 10,000, B into 1000, C into 100, like that it will be continued. So students, I hope you can learn this simple topic, the general form, how you write, now you know. So in this basis I will give some of the problems how to write in homework. That is, say, these are the some 5 problems, 106. This is very easy to write. So next class we can discuss puzzles, number puzzles, and some of the games, some of the creativity games we have to discuss that. Thank you.